Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to play Disney Solitaire. This delightful card game challenges you to clear the board by matching cards one rank higher or lower than the card in your active play slot. Your ultimate goal is to remove every card from the tableau. As you successfully complete levels, you will earn stars. These stars are then used to unlock and build enchanting scenes from your favorite Disney and Pixar movies, adding a magical twist to the classic solitaire experience. It's a fun blend of strategy and nostalgia. Let's explore the game's layout. You'll see the tableau, where cards are arranged in various patterns, often resembling three peaks. Below this, the play slot shows your current active card. When you cannot make a match from the tableau, you can draw a new card from the face-down deck, also known as the stockpile. Any cards drawn but not used will form a waste pile, with only the topmost card available for play. Understanding these four sections is key to navigating each level effectively. The core rule is simple: match cards one rank higher or lower than your current card. For instance, if you have a queen in your play slot, you can play a king or a jack. Suits and colors typically do not matter, simplifying your choices. A powerful tool is the wild card. It can be played on any card, and any card can be played on it, offering great flexibility. Remember, making consecutive matches without drawing from the deck builds valuable streak bonuses. To master Disney Solitaire, strategic thinking is essential. Always try to look ahead a few moves to anticipate the best sequence. Focus on revealing those hidden, face-down cards in the tableau, as they often unlock crucial pathways. Be smart with your wild cards. They are powerful tools, so save them for when you are genuinely stuck. Finally, strive to build long streaks of consecutive matches, as this will earn you valuable in-game bonuses and help you clear levels more efficiently.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.